In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a logo with ChatGPT in minutes. I'm also going to give you some tips and tricks on how you can get the best outcome for your logo design. So I've just been playing around with ChatGPT, tweaking logos, trying to get the best outcome possible. I've gone with this one, Greg's Gardens, but we can go ahead and create one on video, and I'll kind of give you some tips as we go in terms of prompting and getting the best response. Now, the first thing you need to do is really you need an upgraded version of ChatGPT. You can go with the Go plan, but I am on the Plus plan, and that gives you expanded and faster image creation. And to be honest, if you're on this plan, it is going to listen to you when you tell it to change certain things. So once you've upgraded, you can go to new chat and we can now ask it to create a logo. Now, the more specific and in-depth you are with this prompt, the better responses you're going to get. So we're going to go ahead and create a logo from this prompt. I've just put create me 4 logos. I'm a window cleaner. Here's the company name. I'm just going to have the logo be 4 windows, 2 on top, 2 on bottom, with the visual cleaning showing dirty to clean, with the squeegee showing in motion. I'm also going to say you can create your own ideas too. 4 of mine and 2 of your own ideas. We're going to see what ChatGPT comes back with, and then we can go ahead and refine more of these logos and we can settle on a singular one. Now, back in the day when first ChatGPT came out, you couldn't really expand on a logo design. It will get it wrong. It would never replicate the same logo. But now with the Plus plan, it seems to do a very good job. So it's done exactly what I envisioned. As you can see, we've got the dirty windows and the squeegee kind of like making them clean again. We've got the company name. And I actually think it's done a very good job. This one looks like a razor, to be honest. It's a bit too small and a bit too compact. I don't like this one. This one's pretty good. I could see this on the back of a van in England. I do like this mascot looking guy as well. This was ChatGPT's own concept, and these 4 were what we prompted it. Let's say we wanted to make some changes to these logos. We could go ahead and choose this second one. So I'm going to put here, I like number 2 on the top line. Can you change the green on both the window and the text, please? Give me 3 other options. Now, ChatGPT used to not do a very good job, like I said, of giving you the same logo with the changes, but now with this premium or plus upgraded plan, we should get some decent ideas here. Okay, so as we can see, we've got 4 other options. Let's just say, for the sake of the video, we actually do prefer this green one. I'm just going to say, great, give me high quality logo for bottom left. And as you can see, the logo which has been generated here is exactly the same as the one up here. So it does a good job of actually staying consistent with the designs. So there we go. Here is our logo, which we can go ahead and click on, and we can go ahead and download. And we can also describe further edits if we wanted to through this window. Now, what you can also do, you can go ahead and get the banner size for Facebook. So if you wanted to complete a logo design and also your Facebook banner in one, you could do that as well. So I've gone and got the size of the Facebook banner from Google, and we'll go ahead and see if it can generate this as well. I've just basically said, make it professional. Don't add any other text, just visually show the logo in the center, and it then should do a good job of this. And there you go, we've now got our banner as well, which I think looks very good also. So that is how you can create a logo design with ChatGPT, give it some ideas, refine the ideas, and you can get a beautiful looking logo at the end, all for $20. Again, this can do everything, so play around with it and let me know what you think in the comments below.